Hello, today I'm unboxing Me by Jisoo of Blackpink. This is black version, and I'm going to start by taking out the plastic. I've been avoiding picking it up. It's very, very loud plastic. Luckily, at least it was easy to take off. Okay. So here is the front and back. Ooh, everything is moving around in there. I can hear it. Okay. All the extras. Oh no, the disc fell out. Okay, so this is the disc. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, it's not. Oh, I see what I did. It's supposed to slide in. There we go. All right. Photo book. Back side. Oh no. Now I've got it stuck back in here. All right, I'm just going to move the box out of the way. Oh my goodness. Sorry that I'm a mess. Okay. Ooh. The nails, the outfit, the hair, everything. What's all this? That's great. Outfit change. She still looks amazing. Ooh, I love the makeup, the eyeshadow. Ooh, those nails are amazing as well. I love the red as well. Red outfit. Everything's red. Nails, lips, dress. Ooh, pigtails. Ooh, I love it. I still think my favorite is the first one though. First outfit. Ooh, wait. I might have lied. I think it might have been this one when I was looking at the teasers. This had to be in one of the teasers, right? Or is it in the music video? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I love the makeup, the earrings, the hair, the dress. These, do they count as gloves? I'm not sure. Maybe more like cuffs, I guess. I don't know. I love it. That's the point. She looks so pretty. She's like a ballerina. Oop, skip the page. So this is kind of, the setup reminds me of the way they set up Rosie's album, because it's the box and then the sideways photo book. At least this was set up a little different. And then Jenny's was its own thing. Yep, because then look, the thanks to, well, this part, well, no, Rosie's was in like a foldy thing, but the lyrics were on a card like this. Cool. And bookmark, I suppose. Oh no, it's bent a little bit, but she looks gorgeous. Looks like we got a Polaroid. Ooh. And the cards. I guess we'll do this one first. Ooh. Oh my god, she looks so good. And this one. The pigtails! I love it. Alright, and that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye!